The title of the artwork is Inside Out, Outside In, Inside Out, and it's a stained glass installation for the Expo Crenshaw station. It can be viewed from both sides, from the inside and from the outside, and also in between. The idea is that it's a transient experience, so just standing there and looking is not enough. You have to move, you have to engage your whole body to perceive the work. My work in general is very influenced by stained glass that I experienced in my youth when I visited many churches in Austria. And here we have the West Angeles Cathedral. We're here in front of the West Angeles Cathedral. As you can tell here, it's a wonderful architecture. It was a big inspiration for me. And my aim is to create sort of a symbiotic relationship between the architecture of the church and my stained glass art piece that is just across the street. For me as an artist, and especially also in this work, time is an important parameter. During the course of the day, we have very, very different sensations triggered by the movement of the sun. And at the same time, it's very slow motion movement of the sun that changes the appearance of the work during the day. It's now 6:30 and we see a very extreme angle of the sun. The sun is very low and the glass just starts to become a mirror. One of the beautiful aspects of working with glass, there's always very surprising moments at different times of the day.